Dangerous to go alone. Take this. Oh yes. Oh, let's get hit in the face today. Oh, not today, Satan. Not today. Alright, warehouse time, warehouse time. What am I looking for? Head gaskets. Daddy needs head gaskets. It's in the head gasket bin. Oh, my goodness. Look at, we got some head gaskets, kids. Let's take them down there. Oh, BTR ones? What is this? Seriously, that's not a scam. There's like genuinely brand new ones here and here. Wow, cool. Well, we'll bring all of them down. Probably use the new ones because I think Brian gave me those, sent it to me as a thing, and I never used it. So I'm cheating nonstop. Alright kids, well, unbelievably, I literally had a spare, well who cares? Most of you guys are going to be putting in LS9s for no reason anyway. Bunch of you guys still China stud, which is weaker than a reused head bolt. LS9 gaskets, even though you're making 300 horsepower. Anyway, done making fun of you guys, let's make fun of me. LS9s, I mean, what the hell? Since we're going for, you know, mild fancy, half fancy, sloppy 1.5. Is that 2.0 the Mustang, and this is 1. I don't know. Let me throw this head on here. Ta-da! Let's just line her up and plop her down. And now I need to dig up used head bolts. I don't have any head bolts ready. Alright, well, I'm going to dig up some crusty guys and be right back. Okay. Rockers. I dug up 4 bolts quick. So we'll put bolts in and then I need all of them anyway. I'm serious. At least I'm getting somewhere. My goodness. I am tough to deal with myself. Alright. We're going to do a little bit of breezing in here, but I need the rest of the damn bolts. Kids and their pills. Seriously. Kids and their pills. Kids and their pills. That's a nice song, actually. Would you guys listen to a song about kids and their pills? Anyway, let me get these stupid bolts. Alright, I got a little trash bin, and some of these bolts are different, so that'll be nice. I'll be pleased with that. So, short bolts, some of them have like an obvious bend in them. They're yielded, or whatever you want to say. So that'll be nice for the experiment. One more, dude. One more, chief. What am I on, 2? We'll see, give him a little bit of number 3 here. It's not a great socket, or, well, the extension's actually a impact extension. There, that round bolt when I dug out is one of them. I mean, with the extension and whatever else hanging on there, it cuts down on the torque at the end. At least that's what the kids say. Oh man. We bust out the big dollar item. So realistically, it's funny to think I bought a $450 torque wrench to stretch stock bolts to their ridiculous procedure and remove them and see that it's... Why did I get a 1/2 inch? Seriously. My goodness. So I bought an expensive torque wrench to be cheap and learn how to do it without it. Next time equals about 51 foot-pounds almost every time, depending on your procedure and skill set. Sometimes it's more, closer to 60, but everybody always sees about over 50. Please go in. This has reverse thread on it. It gets me every time. Makes me want to get rid of it. I want to get that Milwaukee one, but isn't it like $650? Oh, I can't do that. That's scary. Foot-pounds? Yeah, I must have moved it off. I guess we'll see where they are. I shoot for 65, and then you can feel if it's going to be unhappy or not. Are you in there? Coming up. Here we go. Worth mentioning again and again, if you have a torque wrench, yeah, you're good. If you have a torque wrench that like has a Harbor Freight, like a snappy snip, you have to tug on those. You have to be kind of quick, because if you pull real slow, the damn thing will never click. Well, depending. Stepping on everything. Close. Yellow is real close. I have so much in my garage open right now that it's almost hilarious that I am in such a corner. I don't know. Am I accelerating my work process by making this much harder on myself than normal? Is it for the internet drama? I mean, you tell me. Close. 63. Yep. And if you'll notice, if you do this foot poundage, nothing really doesn't seem like you're going too far. It doesn't seem like, is this intelligent? It just feels tight. You're gonna have to move around a lot because they're stretching and breaking off anyway. No, but when you start to bring the head down, you go back to the start, the other ones might have pulled the start down a little bit. I wish this Queens of the Stone Age, I can't see, I'm guessing. Not fond of it. Anyway. I need to get the intake side bolts. Should I leave all of them out? Trigger the hell out of everybody. This one not tight at all. What is this? That's She Wants Revenge. It sounds like that guy. Sounds like Kermit through auto-tune. Is that accurate? Someone told me the other day that Trent Reznor sounds like Kermit. And I hate that they told me that. Go ahead and listen now. Look up Head Like a Hole. And the day it all... What's the day it all went away? Something like that? Where he's singing softly and playing a piano. Sounds like gosh darned Kermit now. I hate you guys. We're good. Then we'll find the intake side here. I'll try not to make this 50 minutes long. I'll tell you then. Alright. About there, I think. Yeah, sound good? Sounds good. You talked me into it. Again, my brain. It is off. It's incredible how I'm functioning. Turned off. Wouldn't you know it? 9 Inch Nails started playing then. Oh wow. It's hitting me. The pain of being so dumb. Oh man. Seriously, this works. If you can get in being a complete Neanderthal and just showing up. You just gotta show up. I'm gonna bring my Fairmont in. I wanna bring my Fairmont in. Start on that thing, get that thing going. Get this motor and stuff done so I don't need to work on this when the car is in here. The 15 bud. Oh my goodness. Who is this? Is that the Strokes? I don't know. Oh. It's the Black Keys. I should have known better. Certainly sounds like them after you find out it is them. Oh, here's some over here. And one of the intake ones. I don't think I filmed that. On the other side, it was literally me just blasting those in on Schmedium and laughing about it. I'm gonna get some TR55 spark plug for this on motor. We're gonna see. I think I'm gonna show you guys. It usually happens, so it would be hilarious if it doesn't. But you'll make power with a spark plug change. That's way too fine of a thread pitch. So say you're on like a BR6 or TR6 and you're on the dyno and you're tuning on E85. If you go to a TR55, which is hotter than stock, you will pick up a little bit of ponies. Not this one. This one. Okay, yeah, I can show you the bucket of bolts I'm plucking these things out of. Looks good. NASCAR, the whole thing. Maybe you want to go like there. Can we see? Can we see this? Turn it back on. I haven't seen the dog in a while. Both K9 and Sapien are experiencing joy. These hub bolts are wondering what the hell is going on with them right now. It's like they're in what's that, purgatory, limbo. What do you subscribe for? Is that Greek? Greek mythology is purgatory? And in other places, limbo. It's, I don't know. Add on to that, please. I don't know how we got here, but that's where we are. Let me know your homeland's word for waiting to go up or down, or to finish your business, or possibly get sent back. Is that universal too? Like you just kind of, you'd have like a Ryan Reynolds film, and they see if you're a good cop for ghosts, and then you can go back home. Is that, are we thinking of the same thing now? Alright. Did you see when I went over these? The first time over here, one was totally loose. Oh, that's fantastic. Every now and then, you guys are watching better than I am, and you catch me, and I go back, and you're right. I like missed something. I'll take it apart and look. One time I missed a rod bolt, and I thought the guy was joking, or I can't remember. It was Jamie's 240, Turbo LS 240. And in fact, like, it had been driving fine for a long time. We did a bunch of stuff, we put it back together, and it didn't even make it to the dyno, which was a very short trip at that time. And it shot a rod, which I'm sure because the bolt was never tightened. But yeah, thanks for coming to my TED Talk, Matt. Story time.